So founded in 2011 from the Standpipe community in St. Andrew, the Winner City Group is dedicated to changing the negative stereotypes surrounding inner city communities. And they're doing this by uncovering the talents hidden within them. Today we are joined by the founder, Mr. Dean Banks, and its youngest member, Adam McCubbin. And they will tell us about these misconceptions about inner cities and explore collaborative strategies to reshape the narrative for the better. There's Adam. Yeah, you can wave to yourself, Adam. Good morning to you both. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thanks.
What are we talking about here, sir? What is a winner city?
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Jamaica. We truly appreciate this, TVJ. Okay, Winner City started in 2011, as you said before. It's a situation where I used to live in Standpipe, and I left and returned in 2011. And when I look at the talents and the situation, I decided that, wow, there's an opportunity to give back and to make a change of the stigma, because it was a kind of a culture shock for me going back in the area.
What did you see? What did you see that turned you off?
Not totally off, but at the same time stimulate me. It was just the fact that, okay, let me get it real. When I was growing up as a child, the morals and the place itself had a different look to me. And when I came back now, I realized that it wasn't that way. So we decided that what we would do is try to make a difference. And we started with some talent competition, reading competitions and sports activities, and it went pretty well. Yeah.
Adam, how are you, sir?
I'm doing good.
Good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
You're on holiday, right?
Yes.
You don't have to go to school today, right?
No, never did I go to school tomorrow. I mean, yesterday.
Are you not going tomorrow either?
No.
Oh.
Not for the rest of the week.
Okay, that's good stuff. I wish I did get the week off to like you. How did you find out about this Winner City? They tell me that you are the youngest member. How did you get involved in this?
Okay then, so there has been several times when I've heard of Winner City, and before I wasn't really interested until I saw what they were doing. I was very interested. I loved what they were doing.
What did you see? What did you see them doing?
I saw them doing all sorts of stuff. They had fun days. They also had their own merch, like what I'm wearing right now, and other stuff. They have two other businesses, Crazy for Christ and Victory Jamaica.
Okay, so what do you do for them?
Well, I help them with coming up with ideas, and I help them with advertising.
Oh, you do? Can you remember which idea you helped them with?
Yes.
Tell me.
I've helped them with coming up with a new fun day and another fun day, and I also want them to make toys.
Okay. You go to Saints Peter and Paul?
Yes.
What's your favorite subject?
Admittedly, I don't really have a favorite subject. Well, I guess my favorite but I do have a favorite extracurricular.
Which is?
Robotics.
Oh, beautiful. So you don't play football or cricket or anything like that?
No, but I'm really good at running.
You're good at running? The sprints like Usain Bolt, or you run the long distances? Which one?
Both.
Both? You think you're going to be as good as Usain Bolt?
Yes.
Oh.
With enough time and practice, I'll be able to beat him.
Oh, you will be able to beat him? Mm-hmm. Well, you will do that many people in the world have never done. What do you want to be when you grow to be a big man?
A scientist.
A scientist? Oh, that's fantastic. What do you want to tell the other youngsters who might not be involved as you? What do you want to tell them? Look in that camera right there, this one right here, and tell the youngsters what they should do to be a part of something as nice as this.
Okay then, so we all want to say that you are amazing, and we want to say that you can make a difference. We want to say that you can help the world be a better place. And one of the things you can do is help recycle.
Oh, Adam, boy, me love you. I love you. Wish all the youth them still like you. This must make you feel very,
Oh,
very
yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
How many other youngsters are involved in what you do?
Well, at the moment, just Adam and my two granddaughters and one grandson.
So did you get the community to buy into what you're doing? Have you seen a difference since you started what you've...
Yeah, man, unanimously. It's just that we had to take a break in 2011 because of financial reasons. So we decided to, as we would say in Jamaica, wheel and come again after a lot of prayer. And this time we decided, well, it's like, not to be super spiritual, but the fact is that, the Lord said to Moses, what did you have in your hands? And Moses had a piece of stick that became the rod. So I feel that he was saying to me, what you have in your hands? I'm a graphic designer, a printer, and I do branding. So we decided that we're going to make some money. We're going to, or to support what we're doing. We're going to seriously go merchandising. Okay. And it's been exciting. We're spreading these things right across Jamaica, every single vehicle, and we're doing different things.
You mentioned Standpipe. By the way, Standpipe, if you know where the American Embassy is, Standpipe is just across the road from the American Embassy up in the Ligony area.
Yes.
What about other communities? Are you going to stick with Standpipe, or are you trying to spread this to other inner city communities?
Okay, in 2011, thanks, good question. In 2011, we started with Standpipe, Sandy Park,
Sandy Park is just down the road.
Down the road.
From Standpipe.
Right, Chambers Lane and Bonapane Lane. And it went pretty well. Then we have decided this time to work with 9 different communities, starting from Augustown, Hermitage, coming right down the strip,
You said earlier that you had to stop because you never had the finances.
Right.
Where are you going to get the money to make a difference with 9 communities? How are you going to fund that?
Well, it seems pretty easy because what we're planning to do, we have about 4 different, for a community to be called a winner city where we are concerned. We would like that community to have a business, right? We have people who are waiting to train some of these, folks. We also would like to have, because we are really Bible-based, and this is why we're so confident that it's going to work. I remember once someone said to me, challenged me, and said to me, you can't change this thing, you can't work. I said, you're right, because it's not me, it's God. That's the truth. So we have about 4 different things that we'd like to, I call it 4 feet, and one of them is prayer. We are going to make sure that a prayer mama or a prayer group is in every single one of these communities. We also will be having a children movement. We don't want to call it a Saturday or a Sunday school, where kids are empowered. I'm in touch with people right now who are just waiting. Why the confidence is there is that people are just waiting for me to just press the button.
But if someone watching now and says, I want to be involved, I want to help, give me an idea. So what kind of money you would want from somebody to help you to do what you are doing? What's
interesting is because we are Winner City, good question, great question, because we are tired of asking and begging. So we want the Winner City folks not to follow what we used to before. So we want to empower them. So we're not literally asking anybody for donations. We don't even want to work as a non-profit.
And I accept that, but some of the things you need money to do it.
Need money to do it.
Because you said earlier that you had to stop because you never had any money.
This is why we are very confident.
No, this is why I'm saying, sorry to jump in.
Problem.
This is why I'm saying, say the band here watching and they say, well, we want help.
Okay.
What you said to them?
Well,
how they can help?
Well, they can help by going on our YouTube. No, we just set up
Instagram.
our Facebook. Instagram, right.
Yeah.
So you'll see the Instagram and you can help by, the sky's the limit. Whatever you can give, we will take cash and kind.
What about kind? If they want to give you something, suppose they want to give a guitar because you have a talented young man who can...
Oh, thanks for that, because in 2011, people thought that we were sponsored, but we did so well.
Right.
What really happened is that the supermarket would give us supermarket stuff. The ice cream would give us ice cream and that sort of thing.
We're out of time, unfortunately. You want to ask a question because you want to give something to someone, right?
Yes.
What's the question you want to ask?
The question is, if you were listening, you'd know what year is Winner City made in. You can win a shirt if you comment down below the answer.
All right, there you go. What a bright young man, eh? And show them the shirt.
You can win this Winner City shirt.
So Adam, you don't bring anything that I can win, because that can't pass my elbow.
We do have stickers.
Oh, so I can win something.
That's more peace.
Oh, you're giving me this?
Yeah.
You
Adam.
can have more peace and fear not.
Okay. Boy, Adam, me love you.
Okay?
Thank you.
I love you very much, son.
Right.
Thank you.
And you just stay strong, keep on doing what you're doing.
Okay.
Okay.
And when you're a scientist, you come back and say, I remember Uncle Neville, I forgave my little change, because Uncle Neville gone. All right, sir?
True.
Okay.
I love you, son. Good to see you, sir. Not that I don't love you, too. You know, I love you.
That's okay.
He's the founder of the Winner City Group, Mr. Deanie Banks, and its youngest member. What a nice young man, Adam McCubbin. After the break, we'll explore the dynamics of long-distance relationships. But just before I go over to the band, we get so much problems in the country, and people cuss us for so many things. Here is someone who is good for our country. This young man here. I could follow this youth, man. I could follow the youth. Ready for love. Here's Raging Fire.